Hello to everyone. Today at 3:25 in the morning on the UTC Standard Time, there was an earthquake in Kamchatka, Peninsula, Russia, magnitude 7.2 Richter scale. So 3:25 in the morning. It's 4:25 in Croatian time. I'm going to show you this now in the astronomical chart. So this is at 4:25, January 30. Now first. What I have to show you is that the moon was at a 33% of illumination. This is what I always said, that today the moon was on 33% of illumination. Now, let me show you just a moment. Okay, now let me show you the alignment. So this is the moon, this is Kamchatka Peninsula, this here is the coordinate of the earthquake, this is the moon, this is the Kowalski P 2015 D5, the comet, this is the alignment. And now watch this, the orbit which passed next to Kamchatka, you see here, which shut down the angle with the moon orbit, just a moment, under the 45 degrees here. You see that? So this is the place where these two orbits are touching each other, they're crossing each other. This is very important for this earthquake. And there's another thing. I don't think that 4:25 was the time of the earthquake. The time of the earthquake, I will show you now. I found something very, very important, and I'm going to show you something. So that was the time of the earthquake. 4:17 in the morning. The Kowalski was passing right through the epicenter. Now, why the earthquake is at 4:25? I will explain you now finally that. So let me show you. So we got, let's say the Earth. Okay, let's put some shapes. Yeah, like this. Okay, so this is the Earth. Just a moment. Oh, like one more time. So this is the Earth. And let's say that this is the place of the epicenter. Let me show you the epicenter. So let's say that this one is the epicenter here. Okay. Now we have a comet which is above the Earth here. So when the comet, so this is 4:25, okay, this is 4:25, and this is 4:17. So let me write this for you here. So this one is 4:17 in the morning. This is the moment when the comet was passing right through the epicenter. So this is some kind, let's say, of alignment, line curves. So this is the moment of the alignment. This is the moment when comet, because of the alignment and in crossing of the orbit with the moon, has exploded, let's say, or just send a lot of power toward the Earth. Now, Sometimes it passed 20 minutes, sometimes it passed 1 hour and a half after this perfect alignment here. Why? Because the comets are not in the same altitude. They are all in a different altitude. So while this power come to the ground and hit the earth, we must have how can I say this, this time here is the difference between this position here. So this is 425. Okay, I mean, I hope that you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is 425. This is the time of the earthquake. But in the time of the earthquake, this comet is moving, it's going away. So this is the moment of the alignment, 417, and 425. That means that this comet is very close to the Earth, very close to the Earth. So what's that? Almost 10 minutes later, or 8 minutes later, this is traveling to the Earth and hit the epicenter, and this is the moment of the earthquake. So this is the moment of the alignment, which is here, and I can show you this now. So you see that? Let me blow this for you just a moment. So this is the comet, this is the epicenter, this is the orbit of the comet which passed right through the epicenter. So the comet was explode here at, I mean, it's not explode, don't get me for the word explode. It's a release, let's say it release a lot of power, or this, better said, it discharged the power in this conflict with the moon, and this power is traveling 8 minutes to reach the epicenter. In 8 minutes, look what's happened. So let's say now, bang, and then this one is going away, and now this bang reach the earth in this moment. Now this is the shot on the earth. Boom! You understand now here? So this is the moment of 8 minutes that this bang is traveling, this power which was released, discharged from the comet, is traveling 8 minutes when they're hitting the epicenter. For this 8 minutes here, so let's put it, yes, this one it's 8 minutes distance, 8 minutes, it's the difference between the position of the comet in the moment of the earthquake. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is the difference, this is that difference. Okay, so comet needs, this discharge from comet needs 8 minutes to reach the epicenter on the earth. This is the traveling from some distance. I don't know what is the distance. I mean, I know I can read the distance, but it doesn't matter because they are lying. So we don't take this distance as official. So this traveling 8 minutes here, and this what is hit here, it's the moment of the earthquake at 425. 425. So this is the moment of the earthquake. You understand this? And this is the position of the comet at 425. Why? Because the comet, it's moving. You understand? So this is the difference between, this is the same difference. Moment of the earthquake and position of the comet which is away from the epicenter. And here is the epicenter. Just a moment. Here is the epicenter, and okay, here is the epicenter, and here is the comet. So that is the distance between comet and the moment of the earthquake. So this is all very simple, very simple. It's not a rocket science at all. So we got moon here, which is the trigger of this earthquake. Not sun, not Jupiter, not it's the moon. The triangle, it's this. This is the triangle. This is the alignment with Kamchatka. The Kamchatka alignment with the moon, and Kowalski alignment with the moon, and here is the final angular meeting of 45 degrees, which is here. This is the place where they are crossing there. So I believe that I have to show you this. I must draw another one. Okay, watch this now. I believe that the moon shapes, yes, this is the moon. Okay, now we will move it here, and this moon, just a moment, a bit in the center, this moon got its orbit, and this orbit is a fictional, not fictional like a science fiction. It's a fixed orbit. What can I say? Like a railroad track. So let me show you what I mean exactly. So this orbit, it's something what exists as a energy. You understand that? So this is present all the time. Not when the moon is not here, the orbit is under the charge. So this is something what is invisible, what is leading the moon on its tracks. You know, this is just like the subway. You know, the subway got this rail which is under the high voltage. It's same with the moon. And now, when a comet comes here like this, let's say this is the comet, and comet got also fixed orbit, which is this orbit is traveling with the comet, not with the, like the moon have static orbit. This one has got an orbit that it's traveling with it. So in a moment of the earthquake, it's happened this shortcut. These two orbits are crossing each other, high voltage, short circuit, and then this explode, bang. And when this explode and release is discharged, this power that it's getting from the moon, and this is what caused the earthquake on the epicenter here, bang. And this is how long this bullet, this discharge energy traveling toward the earth, which is, for example, here. Let's say this is the earth, okay, and the epicenter. So this is the all science that you need to understand how the earthquakes works. You understand? This orbit of the sun and orbit of the moon are existable orbit. Do you know what I mean? They are not disappearing. Well, this is what leads the moon and keeps the moon on the track. It's like a railroad track, you know what I mean? So moon is driving on this orbit, and this orbit it's charged with energy. That is what moon keeps stuck to the earth. This orbit it's existable. You cannot see it, but if someone gives you a kind of tool that it makes it visible, you will see that just like in astronomical program, this line, it's steady line. This is the orbit which is under the high voltage, very high voltage, some kind of energy, whatever it is. And this one here, it's from the sun. And when this comet are moving, let me show you this. So I will show you now how these comets are moving. For example, this one here. Here's the Kowalski. Now you will see how this is moving. Watch this. Okay, let me go 300%. Now watch. You see how this, it's all moving. So when this come here, it makes an earthquake. This is the short circuit cut, and this is what makes an earthquake on the ground. Thank you very much for your attention, and stay tuned and wait for my new video about the earthquakes.